Siyempre, maglalabas tayo ng resibo, ebidensya, ayan. So, whenever I need magic, I drink this. We are going to give away AquaSkin products, and not just one or two, but all of their products. I'm pretty sure more than 5,000 pesos. Hey guys, it's me and Tristine back at it again with another collagen and glutathione video. This is actually our 5th video na nagre-review tayo ng collagen and gluta, but this is the first time na magpapa-giveaway tayo, and I would like to thank AquaSkin for sponsoring this giveaway. So yan, we are going to give away AquaSkin products, and not just one or two, but all of their products. So, maya-maya papakita ko sa inyo ano ba yung all of their products, ano bang laman itong paper bag, paano kayo mananalo. So, please stick around. AquaSkin products are made and formulated in Japan. Let's start with Tsubaki soap. So, I really love this nung na-try ko siya kasi hindi siya madaling matunaw and it leaves your skin feeling so moisturized. Diba yung ibang whitening soap, medyo mahapde or makate or super dry ng skin mo after maligo? This one naman, you feel so moisturizing skin mo. Like, you don't need to put on na lotion, but of course, still put on lotion. And when I say hindi siya madaling matunaw, this one nagtatagal siya ng more than 1 month. I haven't tried this sa face ko, tinry ko lang siya sa body ko. So I hope someday soon magkaroon din ng ganito for the face. Ito yung Gluta Caps ni AquaSkin. Ito yung pinakauna niyang product na nilabas. That's why ito rin yung pinakasikat niya na product. Ito na rin yung pinakamatagal ko na tinitake na product nila. Siyempre, maglalabas tayo ng resibo, ebidensya, ayan. Dalawa na yung nadadown ko na bote niya. So, I've taken these for the past months. But this month, I started taking yung more premium version nito, which is the AquaSkin Gold. So, for this one, 60 capsules siya. Tapos, you take it twice a day. So, meron na siyang collagen, gluta, pearl powder, and N-acetyl-cysteine. So, I take this with collagen powder and vitamin C. So, for the results, as usual, magpapakita na lang ako sa inyo ng photos and videos ng mga time na ginagamit ko to. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga vlogs na nagawa ko while I was taking this one. Now, let's move on to the more premium version, which is AquaSkin Gold. So, ito yung box ni AquaSkin Gold. Ayan, naka-seal pa siya. This one is yung ipapamigay natin. This one naman is yung tinitake ko. So, this is the more premium version. Look pa lang niya, diba? More premium na. I've been taking this for, well, this month pa lang. So, about 2 weeks ko pa lang siyang tinitake. I'm really excited to see the results of this one since mas premium siya because it has algatrium and ceramide. Since mas premium siya, mas premium yung ingredients niya. Excited ako na makita yung results niya na mas hihigitan pa yung dun sa regular niya lang na gluta. By the way, sa mga hindi nakakaalam ng ceramide, most of the lotion and soap, mga moisturizers, yan, meron silang ceramide kasi pampa-moisture talaga siya. So, this one is hindi lang pampaputi but also pampa-moisture. You guys know how much I love collagen, lalo na the ones in powder form para I can just add them to my favorite drink. This one, the good thing about this is meron na siyang scoop. So, dati kasi yung iba parang sasabihin lang sa'yo, okay, dapat 1 na kutsara. Pero hindi mo alam kung enough na ba to or gabundok ba dapat, ganyan. So, this one, meron na siyang scoop sa loob. This one is my extra. Ito yung ipapamigay ko. Meron akong dalawa nito for personal use and isa na doon yung naubos ko. And currently, inuubos ko pa lang yung isa pa. So, hindi ko pa siya ganun katagal tinitake. Unlike itong mga to. Ito talaga yung pinakamatagal ko ng tinake. So, I can give you a review of this ng 2 months. Ito, I can give you lang a 1 month review. Gusto ko siya kasi very mabilis siyang matunaw sa drink. Hindi mo makikita yung nagbubuo-buo talaga siya. So this one, meron din siyang ceramide, pomegranate, hyaluronic acid, pearl coral extract, and of course, meron siyang Amino Collagen. Ito naman, I use this kapag feeling ko kailangan ng healing and recovery ng skin ko. So, we have 2 boxes. Yung isa is for giveaway. Yan, kompleto pa to. Nakaseal pa to. Nire-ref ko lang siya while it's with me para nakastore siya ng maayos. So, each box contains 10 vials. This is a beauty drink. It has glutathione, ascorbic acid, salmon ovary peptide, and peach yung flavor niya. Very masarap siya. So, in short, this is gluta, vitamin C, and collagen. I do not take it daily. Kaya kung makikita nyo, ito yung personal box ko eh. Half pa lang yung naiinom ko. Tapos, meron siyang straw. So, half pa lang kasi I only take this kasi everyday naman ako nagtitake ng gluta and collagen, diba? Yung collagen powder and then the gluta caps, everyday naman yon. So, ito, tinitake ko na lang siya pag feeling ko, ay, napuyat ako ngayon, ang pangit ng skin ko. It's super dry, or ay, nabilad ako sa araw kahapon, baka, na-damage ng sun yung skin ko, or, ay, may period ako ngayon, pero my skin is acting up, it's not on its best, parang ganon. So, whenever I need magic, I drink this. Ito siya, yan. Ganito lang siya kaliit. Tanggalin mo lang yung lid, and then tusok mo yung straw here. Now, let's talk about AquaSkin's Koragen lipstick. So, it's a collagen lipstick. I'm wearing it right now. This is the shade, and you know what, guys? Hindi ko pinrep yung lips ko. Hindi ako naglagay dyan ng petroleum jelly or ng lip balm. Usually, you have to prep your skin, diba? Or yung primer. Wala. Very moisturized siya and very thick. Very rich. It's just that, ito pa lang right now yung available nila na shade. So, I wish in the near future, magkaroon pa sila ng ibang shades. Because some days, of course, I'm not feeling like wearing yung parang reddish or pinkish na lipstick. I feel like wearing peach or brown shades. So yeah, sana magkaroon pa sila ng ibang shades soon. So this is the one that I'm going to give away. Nakaseal pa to. Yan. And this is the one naman that I'm using. So, yan. Medyo napudpud na siya doon kasi I'm really using it. I love it. Kahit nagmamadali ka, ang bilis nang i-apply. So, yeah. That's it for my mini review of the AquaSkin products. Overall, I love this brand. Ang happy ko nung pumayag silang makipag-collaborate for a giveaway because I just recently reached 6,000 subscribers na milestone. I know it's not that much, but still, I would like to celebrate it. I want 2022 to be a year full of celebrations of mini wins. Now, let's move on to the mechanics. Paano nga ba kayo mananalo ng lahat ng products na to? If I'm not mistaken, pag pinag-total natin all of these products, ang total is more or less 5,000 pesos, but I'm pretty sure more than 5,000 pesos. Anyway, if hindi man kayo manalo sa giveaway na to, meron akong discount code na pwede nyong gamitin anytime sa Shopee. So, ilalagay ko yung link ng Shopee nila, and ito yung aking discount code. Pwede nyo yung gamitin anytime. Okay, ito na talaga ang mechanics. All you have to do is like this video, comment anything, like my page and AquaSkin's page on Facebook. Follow me and AquaSkin on Instagram. And pagtapos mo nang gawin lahat yon, send mo lang yung screenshot sa Instagram ko. Since naka-follow ka na, mag-send ka lang ng message. By the way, I'm also going to run this sa Instagram ko. Sumali din kayo doon to earn extra points or extra entries. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and comment nyo lang if meron pa kayong ibang products na gusto nyo na reviewin ko. Bye!